Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the phone app and going straight to voicemail. This gets you into the message list. If your Samsung shows a voicemail tab, tap it now or press and hold one to call your carrier system. If the system asks for a PIN, enter it. This ensures you can manage messages. Once connected, listen for the menu prompt briefly, don't hang up, and prepare to use either on-screen controls or keypad commands to access saved messages. Now you'll remove messages either visually or via the carrier menu. With visual voicemail, tap the message to open details, then press the trash or delete button and confirm. This immediately frees space. If you're in the audio menu, listen for the option to delete and press the corresponding keypad number, then confirm when asked. Make sure to check both the inbox and saved folders, because some systems move messages to saved and require a finish by removing messages from any deleted or trash folder to permanently free space. Open that folder, select all or individual items, and choose Delete Forever. If messages persist on screen after you delete them, restart your Samsung to refresh voicemail sync. If that still fails, make sure visual voicemail is enabled in settings, and if needed, contact your carrier. Sometimes server-side holds or PIN issues prevent final deletion. This step clears both local and server copies, so the voicemail truly disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.